To all you beautiful people out in the cooking world, welcome back to Cooking with the Riz. Today I'm going to make a very, very simple dish. It is the good old schnitzel, a beef schnitzel. And what I'm using here is fillet. I did a recent video, actually it'll be the last one before I've done this one obviously. And I made some schnitzels out of my fillet steak that I had. So the video is to teach you how to clean an fillet and how to prepare it. So if you go back to that, you'll see what I've done there. All right. So with that, I've got my little section at the front there, the eggs and the flour and the breadcrumbs for the crumbing side. I've got my beautiful, beautiful fluffy Parmesan cheese here. And in here, I've just got some parsley and thyme out of my garden. So I'm just going to give that a good old chop up. I'm going to actually put a little bit of this in the eggs, and I'll put some in the breadcrumbs as well. And that's enough there. So I'll throw some in the breadcrumbs now, and the rest I'll put into the egg mix. All right, so the eggs are here. I've got a couple of eggs. Break them in there. Okay, throw your herbs in there. Alright, give that a mix. Some salt and pepper. And there you go, there's your egg mix done. And of course, you've got to put some Parmesan in it. I like the Parmesan cheese in here. It's really yum. That's probably enough there. So I'll just give this a bit of a mix up here. Actually, I might add a little bit of cheese to the breadcrumbs too. It gives it a nice bit of a golden colour as well. So you just mix all that together. Doesn't matter if it falls over the side, who cares? The cleaner will do it. Oh shit, hang on, that's me. Oh bloody hell. Alright, anyway. So that's that bit. Give this a bit of a mix as well. You put the seasoning in there. Okay. Now all we do, slap him in here. Just like that. Shake off the excess. In the milk, in the egg milk mixture, sorry, can't speak. Okay. Oh, geez, it's that tender. Just went to lift it up and it tore. So there we go. Just give it a little bit of a bang on the side like that. In here, rain the stuff on top. The breadcrumbs. Okay, so there we go. Just again, shake, shake. Yeah, like so. And remember, one hand is always wet, the other hand's always dry, okay? Tap, tap. Put it down there. Sprinkle your little crummies on top. I cook these in olive oil and butter. And the olive oil stops the butter from burning as well. That's another reason why I do it like that. Alright guys, well that's pretty simple. So that's your end result there with your snitties. There. Okay, pretty simple really. Yes, I'm going to serve this with some mash sweet potato and carrot together. I mashed them up, and some steamed asparagus and a bit of broccolini on the side as well. Okay guys, I have just dished up my schnitzels and I've got my beautiful steamed off asparagus and steamed broccolini here with my mash, which is sweet potato and carrot mixed together. I've got just a squeeze of lemon on the side. I'll tell you what, these are so juicy. Oh my God, look how much juice is coming out of this little piece. Let's have a little taste, shall we? Man, you can cut that without a knife. How? Oh wow, that was yum. That's really good, and you don't need to cook this for very long too, okay? Because it's fillet steak, so it's just very minimal cooking, okay? Just till it's nice and golden, and that's it. Oh my God, that's really good. What more can you ask for, guys? Beautiful steamed vegetables, beautiful fillet steak schnitzel with your mash there. Nice and healthy, great dinner for everybody. I mean, with this you can even make a little sauce if you want to, a mushroom sauce, whatever you like, you know. There's just a million things you can do here. But just to have it here with a bit of lemon is just magnificent. You get all the flavour out of those herbs that I put into the crumbs. It really comes out when you cook it. The thyme and that especially is just really yum, yum, yum. All right, well, I'll tell you what, until we meet again, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell next to it so you can get everything I do for you, and we will see each other very, very soon. Until then, everybody, happy cooking.